Welcome back to DRAWPEDIA tutorials. Today I'm gonna teach you how to draw Beef Boss from Fortnite. If you're new to this channel, be sure to like, subscribe and comment below. I'm gonna draw on my Wacom tablet, but you can follow my tutorials with any other media that you have, whether it's pencil color, Sharpie or crayon. So for his eyes, I'm gonna draw a circular shape on the left side right here. And at the base, I'm gonna draw across a curved line. And for his pupil, a curved line at the side here. In the middle of the eye, I'm gonna draw across a curved line to that point. I'm gonna copy the same shape of the eye on the right side there. At the side below the eye, I'm gonna draw a curved line. And a curved line across at the lower point. For his tongue, I'm gonna draw a curved line diagonally right there. Same as the turn downwards. Curved line across at the lower point and back up on the right side. And a curved line at the corner. For the tomato, I'm going to draw a curved line right there. Continue it on the right side of the tongue. A curved line at this corner. Turn it to the left. Continue it back to the right side of the bun right there. Below that, curved line down. Diagonal turn to the right. Diagonal turn up and to the right and across. I'm gonna trace the same line at this corner and a diagonal line at this right side. Turn it back up to the side. And I'm gonna trace the same line at this corner right here. Below that, a curved line across. To that point, curved line turn up. Below that, a curved line down and sideways to the left, all the way on the left of the tongue, and turn it back up. Going back to the top of his head, I'm gonna draw a circular shape at this point. Inside of that, another circular shape on the left corner right there. And a line at the bottom, another one beside that, and at the top point, a triangle shape right there. I'm gonna add some sesame seed in between the eye with oval shape randomly placed. And across some wavy line at this point from the left to the right. Below the head, I'm gonna draw a diagonal line to the center and turn it back up to the right. And for the bow tie, a rectangular shape for the center. At the side, diagonal line out on the top and the bottom, and a line down at the side. I'm gonna do the same thing on the right side of the bow tie and a short line in the middle point right there. For the color of the shirt, I'm gonna draw a diagonal line out from this point, turn it back up towards the shoulder, and a curved line across at that point. A line out from this point, semicircular turn at that corner, and a line out again at the shoulder, curved line downwards and out, and extend it all the way to the elbow, semicircle turn diagonally back in, and for the inner line of the arms, I'm gonna draw from this point a curved line in the same direction and a curved line from this point inwards. Below the arms right here, I'm gonna draw a circular shape, extend it upwards with a curved line, semicircle turn back out at the top point right there, and going back to the bottom point, a curved line at this corner, a curved line in and upwards towards the collar right there. I'm gonna copy the same shape again right here, and at the side I'm gonna draw a curved line. Below that I'm gonna draw a curved line in and downwards. At this point I'm gonna draw a rectangular shape right there, a line across at this point, turn it up and sideways. Beside that, I'm gonna draw a line across, a rectangular shape at that point, continue the line across to the buckle, and at the buckle I'm gonna draw a line across, turn it down at the sides, sideways in and down, sideways out and down and across. At the lower point, trace the same shape on this side as well, and in the middle point above I'm gonna draw a diagonal line there, across, diagonal line back up. Mirror that at the lower section right here, and continue the line of the belt to the right side and a rectangular shape at that corner. For the lower line of the belt, I'm gonna do the same shape across right there. On the right side, I'm gonna draw a curved line here, extend it upwards, curved line up to the shoulders, and from the side of the tongue, I'm gonna draw a curved line out, semicircle turn at that corner, another curved line downwards, and from the elbow point a curved line out to the wrist, a semicircle line at this corner, curved line across at the wrist, semicircle line back out at the lower point, a curved line at this corner, and for his thumb I'm gonna draw a curved line up, semicircle turn at the tip, back down and out. And for the fingers, I'm gonna draw a curved line right there, semicircle turn at both ending point, copy that shape across for the other finger, and another one below that, and another one, and at the side a curved line back to the wrist. On every finger I'm gonna draw a curved line across right there, and then back to the wrist I'm gonna draw a curved line back towards the elbow, semicircle turn at that corner up right there. Below the bow tie I'm gonna draw a line down at this corner and another one on the right side. Along the space between the two lines I'm gonna draw a circular shape right there, and on the left side of that I'm gonna draw a rectangular shape for the pockets right here, another one at the lower point right there. For the lower belt I'm gonna draw a rectangular shape at this point below the first belt, and inside of that I'm gonna draw two small rectangular shape right there, and another rectangular shape surrounding the inner point. And at the side, a rectangular shape here, another one on the right side, a line across at the top and the bottom for the belt. Going back to the left arm, I'm gonna draw from this point a curved line across, line down to the wrist, across a curved line right there, curved line down back towards the hand, across a curved line, and a curved line towards the thumb, turn it down. Curved line for the other side, down, semicircle turn back up. I'm gonna add a rectangular shape at this point and another one inside of that. Along the wrist, I'm gonna draw some lines coming down along that section right there, and at this point, a rectangular shape, another one at the side of it right there, a line across at this point, and some few lines at this point. On his forearm, I'm gonna draw a curved line across and another one above it. From the top of the glove, I'm gonna trace the same line as the outer line, back up towards the shoulder, and another one slightly beside it. Now for his pants, I'm gonna draw below the belt a curved line down, flare it out towards the knee point, and back in and down. Now for the left side, from this point, a curved line down, slightly flare it out, and back in, and a curved line at that corner, flare it out again, and back in. In the middle of the leg, I'm gonna draw a curved line across, right there. Off center, I'm gonna draw a curved line down, curved line at that corner, turn it in and down, curved line out and back in. Below the belt, I'm gonna draw a line down, another line beside of that, and a strap on the thigh on the left here across, another line across below that, and another strap at this corner below. For the lower leg pad, I'm gonna draw a diagonal line, a line across, diagonal turn back up, and turn it downwards, straight down. At this point, I'm going to draw a curved line diagonally across for the strap, a line down on both sides, copy the same curved line across again, and below that, I'm going to draw another similar strap at that point, and another one on the opposite direction behind it at that point right there, and continue the line of the pad to that point where the ankle is and across a line. Below that pad, I'm gonna draw some crisscross strings, and 2 straight strings at the lower point right there. Now for the boots, I'm gonna take this point at the side and draw a curve line down, curve line turn out and in and out and in and out at the bottom, semicircle turn at the corner. We're gonna do a similar shape on the right side as well. And at the bottom point right there, I'm gonna draw across a curve line at the side, a line down on the left and right, and across the curve line at the base. Along that shape, I'm gonna draw some rectangular shape right there. And going back up to the side, I'm gonna add a few details with the curve line at the side. We're gonna do a similar shape for the right side of the leg. Diagonal line right there, line across, diagonal turn back up and downwards at the side, diagonally out, in and down. And for the inner line, turn it downwards, diagonal line in and down towards the ankle point, and a line across at the bottom. For the inner line of that leg, I'm gonna draw a curved line from this point downwards, diagonal turn in and curved line back out, below the knee point back in, and a curved line at that corner, across with a curved line. Below that, for the boots, curved line down. For the inner line, flare it out at the base or at the heels, and some crisscross knots at the front point here. And 2 straight knots at the front. A curved line to the front, semicircle turn downwards, and I'm gonna draw across a curved line from the back to the front right there, line down on both the front and back, another curved line across at the base right there, some rectangular shapes along the base, and in front of the shoes I'm gonna draw a curved line across, turn it downwards. This point, a curved line at the side and another one at the front point. Behind the pad, I'm gonna draw a curved line right here, another one below that, and another strap at the upper point right here. Above the knee, I'm gonna add a tilted rectangular shape, and around its edges I'm gonna draw some short lines. That's all for our tutorial today. I hope you enjoy it and find my lessons helpful. Be sure to like and subscribe to this channel. Also, feel free to drop your requests, suggestions, or any other comments in the comment section below. See you next time.